How to check the saved passwords on your Google Chrome. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check saved passwords on Google Chrome easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page. Now go to the top right here in the top corner and click on those three dots as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go down to settings, and after you click on settings it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do here is so simple, so please keep watching. Go right here to this autofill option and now click on password manager, and right here you will find all the saved passwords. As you can see, the saved passwords will appear here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.